Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Becca Spices. Today we'll be making a highly demanded dish, chicken karahi. This dish is very spicy and flavorful and can be enjoyed by itself or with naan or rice. So without further ado, let's get started. For the spices, we will need half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and 1 tablespoon of pepper. The rest of the ingredients include 1 whole chicken cut into small pieces, 50 grams of butter, 3 tomatoes finely cut, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, ginger sliced julienne style, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 chopped up chili peppers, some coriander leaves for decoration, and finally about 2 teaspoons of salt adjusted according to taste. We're going to start off by pouring about 3 tablespoons of oil into a large non-stick wok on medium heat. Once the oil has gotten a few seconds to heat up, we're going to slowly put in the chopped onions and begin stirring it around. Continue to stir until the onion has softened and looks a little bit more golden, then slowly pour in the tomatoes into the wok. Mix and stir the onions and tomatoes for a few more minutes, then pour in the chilies. Here we are pouring about half the chilies to make sure it's not too spicy, and then we continue to stir some more. Once all the water has evaporated and the mixture has changed to a deeper shade of golden, we're going to add in the turmeric powder to add some color before dropping in our chicken. Stirring thoroughly, we're going to incorporate the chicken well with the mixture. Then we will add in the ginger garlic paste, some salt, and let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. Once the chicken has boiled, we will add in the red chili powder and garam masala and mix it in well together. Then slowly add in the rest of the spices, whole cumin seeds, coriander powder, and pepper, and mix everything in with the spoon. We're going to add some butter to the mixture to enhance the flavor. Make sure the butter is thoroughly incorporated in before adding the yogurt to make the sauce more rich and creamy. Mix everything in until it forms a thick paste. After tasting the sauce, here we're adding a little bit more of the chili just to make sure everything is just the way we like it. We're also going to add in the julienne sliced ginger pieces here and spread them all across the karahi. Once that has gotten some time to cook, we're going to get the rest of the ginger pieces and some coriander leaves, and this will be nice to garnish everything together. We're going to give everything one nice stir and keep stirring until all the water has evaporated and everything is thoroughly cooked. And there you have it, a delicious chicken karahi that will be a burst of flavor with every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of more future videos like this. Thanks for watching!